हरे कृष्णा। जगत गुरु श्रीला प्रभुपाद की जय। 4 अगस्त। वैष्णवों को भौतिक रूप से शक्तिशाली बनने के लिए किसी भी प्रकार की योग पद्धति का पालन करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। उनके द्वारा श्री कृष्ण की शरण का कार्य उन्हें सर्वशक्तिशाली बना देता है। ऐसे होते हैं वैष्णव। वृंदावन, 4 अगस्त 1974। जगत गुरु श्रीला प्रभुपाद की जय।
So, Siddhnadan Sakatha Krishna, Punna Savana Kirtana, if we engage ourselves, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu accepted this process, simply hearing. That is the accepted process, Savanam Kirtanam. So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also accepted this process. Sthane sthita sudigatang tanuvang manovi. He refused so many other processes or self-realization, beginning from varnashram dharma, jnana-mishra bhakti, karma-mishra bhakti, karma tyag. He not rejected, he said it is external. If you know something more, speak. When he was talking with Ramananda Rai. So, when Ramananda Rai quoted a passage from Srimad Bhagavatam, which was spoken by Lord Brahma, Jnane prayasam mudapasyanavanta iva jivanti sanmakritang bhavadiyavada sane sthita stikatang tanuvang manohi prayasa jitopi jitapasita istilakyam. So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu accepted that people should be given chance somewhere or other to hear about Krishna. That's all. These meetings are arranged. These Sankirtan parties are arranged. We are sending our men throughout the whole world simply to give them some chance to hear about Krishna. This is the point. And it is actually happening very effective. Simply. When I was coming here, I was in Manila. What is called? Manila, yes. Manila in Philippines. So, these many Philippines, they eat dog. But still, they gave very patient hearing to Krishna Katha. My last meeting was in a big hotel. Our Sudama Vipra Goswami Maharaj arranged it, and it was very successful meeting. All full of young men. And they came to hear about Krishna. And they responded very nicely. They purchased books, they danced, they chanted. So, this Krishna consciousness movement is progressing only on this basis. Sinnatang Sakatha Krishna. Just give them chance to hear about Krishna. We are not driving them. I have not bribed all this American and European boy to become Krishna conscious. I have no money. When I went to America, I had only $7 in 1 hour's expenditure in New York. Okay? So, there is no question of bribing them. But they heard about Krishna. I was reading Bhagavad Gita on the street, on the store, in the park, and chanting. They heard and then came to me. They became attracted. Why? Because it is said here, Hridi antastha, within the heart. He avadran. people are suffering because they have got so many dirty things within the heart. The most important dirty thing are the modes of material nature. So, Satagun, Tamagun. Satagun is also not dirty, but it is mixed with dirty things. And Rajagun, Tamagun is purely dirty. Rajagun, Tamagun is purely dirty. Here, our intelligence is also dirty because it is mixed up with these modes of material nature. In the material life, we are using our intelligence. Everyone is using his intelligence, how to become happy. The whole world is going on, working so hard. There is intelligence, certainly. But that is dirty intelligence. That is dirty intelligence. Dirty intelligence, what kind of dirty intelligence? That is described in the Bhagavad Gita or Duskriti. No. Kriti means very expert. Kriti, one who is expert, he is called Kriti. But here, the word has been added, Duskriti. Duskriti. Just like one who has discovered the atomic bomb. It has required very nice brain, unless the scientist is very intelligent. Kriti, how he could discover such dangerous weapon. So there is intelligence, undoubtedly. But the intelligence has been wrongly used. Duskriti. They have discovered something to kill man. But they could discover something which will save man. But that is not possible. That is Krishna consciousness, which will save man. You can discover something to kill man, but you cannot discover something which will save man. That is Krishna consciousness. And it is very easy. Simply by giving some time to hear about Krishna. As soon as one sincerely hears about Krishna, Krishna is situated in everyone's heart. Ishara sarvabhutanam riddheshe Arjuna tishti. Krishna and I both are living together within the heart as friends. Krishna is so sincere friend that he is trying always to take me back, again, back to home, back to God. That is his business. But I am denying. No, sir. I shall remain as home. I shall be happy by eating stool. Krishna says, no, give up this business. Sarvadharman parityajya, mam ekam saranam bhaja. I'll give you protection. No, sir. I shall eat this stool. I have got very good facility for sex life without any discrimination. There are so many so-called. I don't wish to discuss. But sex life is so strong that they cannot give up in so-called devotional life. So, this is dirty things. Actually, it is very dirty. But one can give it up if one is very strongly under the shelter of Krishna. Jadavadhi mama chitta Krishna padaravinda namo namo dhamarantuma tadavadhi batanari sangame smarjaman bhavati mukhavika Jamunacharya. If one, Krishna is Madan Mohan. If one is attracted actually by Krishna, Madan cannot kill him. Krishna will say. So actually the dirty thing is this sex desire. Uh, uh, the sex desire increases our attachment for this world. अतः गृह क्षेत्र सुताप्त वित्तई जन समोहोयम अहममेति पुंसान स्त्रिय मिथुनि भावमेत. Everything is there. Srimad Bhagavata. The ultimate knowledge to understand everything. Unfortunately, they speak on Srimad Bhagavatam, but not scrutinizingly pointing out what are the defects in our life. They want to enjoy another type of sense gratification. Anyway, we do not wish to discuss. But actually, if we want to get rid of all dirty things from our heart, we must hear scrutinizingly about Krishna. This is the prescription given here. Sinnatang Sakata Krishna, Punna Sabana Kirtana. If you do not understand, it doesn't matter. You simply give vibration, hear the vibration. Just like we are doing. What in European countries and American countries they will understand. But we are sending in every important street. In New York we are sending in the Fifth Avenue, the most important street in the world. Fifth Avenue, New York. They are chanting. You have seen pictures in our back garden. They are chanting. In London, the most important street, Oxford Street, we send armed. In Melbourne, they are now arresting. I do not know what is the position now. But they are prepared. These boys and girls so nice that they are arrested sometimes. Just like Kaji was torturing Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's party. Post now civilized world, there is no such torturing, but our men are very often they are arrested and put into jail also. But still they go. They go every day. Now in London, the police has become disgusted. They do not arrest anymore. Yes. So, I say that if you are arrested, why you should be sorry? You go in the jail and chant Hare Krishna. That's all. So that others will get the opportunity to hear about Krishna. So this is our propaganda. Krishna consciousness movement means we are giving chance to people to hear about Krishna. Sinnatang Sakata Krishna. Punna Savana Kirtana. The same thing can be done in India also. But we have got a better field of activities outside India. I tell you, Frank. I am very much encouraged because we get very good response quickly. And they become immediately attached to Krishna, as you see the samples here. They are given up on account of their attachment to Krishna. They have given up all their nonsense or avadrani. Avadrani. Avadrani is this. The principle of avadrani means illicit sex, intoxication, meat eating, and gambling. These are the four pillars of avadrani. So, by Krishna consciousness, Krishna helps. Sinnatang, when Krishna says that this man, this living entity is now sincere to hear about me, he helps with them because he's there. You haven't got to find out somewhere else, and you haven't got to go to Himalaya to find him. He's here. Riddham tasta, he. So he is also within. And my all dirty things are also within. So as soon as he sees, I'm also within. So as soon as he sees that this living entity is now little serious about hearing about me, he helps. Hridantastavadrani vidhunati. He helps you. I cannot get out of these dirty things by my own endeavor. That is not possible. But Krishna helps. As soon as we are little serious to hear about Krishna, he helps. Buddhi yogam dadamidam jino mam upajantite. Krishna says, here it is indirectly says that Krishna helps. And in the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna directly says, yes, I give him such intelligence so that he may come back to home, back to God. Jino mam upajantite. To home. Tesam satatujuktanam bhajatang priti purva. One who is 24 hours engaged in the loving service of the Lord. And satatujukta, satata means 24 hours, not official. Of course, by official, one may gradually come to the position of satatajuktana. Bhajatang priti purvakam. With faith and love, if one is engaged in the service of the Lord, then Krishna says, Buddhi Yogam Dadan. There are two things, Buddhi and Buddhi Yogam. Buddhi, ordinary Buddhi, intelligence, that is dirty. But when it is Yogam, Yogam means connected with Krishna, it is called Buddhi Yogam. So we require Buddhi Yogam, not Buddhi. If we simply use our Buddhi, intelligence, then we continue to become Dushkritina. Buddhi is there, but it is utilized in a misdirected way. That is called Dushkritina. Therefore, we must engage our Buddhi, because Buddhi is the immediate step before we realize self. First, our conception is Indrani, these senses. Indrani pararahu, Indriya bhaparamana. We give very much importance to these senses. The bodily concept of life means to give importance to sense enjoyment. That's all. This is bodily concept. So, Indrani pararahu, they are very important. Those who are in bodily concept of life, they are addicted to sense gratification. Indrani pararahu, Indriya bhaparamana. And those who are little advanced, more, they are addicted to the mental speculation, the so-called gainis. Mental speculation. Manasastu para buddhi. Then again, you come to the platform of intelligence. Intelligence, and when the intelligence is purified, Hridantastavadrani, purified simply by hearing about Krishna, then immediately you are raised to the platform of spiritual life. This is the process. So, Srinnadam Sapatha Krishna Punnasavana Kirtana Hriddantastu Avadrani Vidhunati Sweet Sata. He is very intimate friend of the sadhus, of the devotees. He is everyone's friend. Sridham Sarvabhutana. He is everyone's friend. God, Krishna, he is everyone's friend. But he is a special friend for the devotee. That is stated in the Bhagavad. He said, Samoham sarvabhuteshu naham name deshaste na priya. Jetu bhajanti man pritta teshu te mai. Because he is God, he is kind to everyone. Without his kindness, we cannot live for a moment. That is a fact. But if one becomes a devotee, he gives special protection. Kaunteya pratijanihi name bhakta pranas. So therefore, this human form of life is a special prerogative for the living entity, and if we take advantage of it and simply try to hear about Krishna, then our life is successful. Thank you very much.
हरे कृष्ण। भगवद गीता अध्याय 2 श्लोक संख्या 65। प्रसादे सर्व दुखानां हानिरस्योपजायते प्रसन्ना चेतसो हि आशु बुद्धिर्पर्यवशिष्टते। इस प्रकार कृष्ण भावनामृत में तुष्ट व्यक्ति के लिए संसार के तीनों ताप नष्ट हो जाते हैं और ऐसी तुष्ट चेतना होने पर उसकी बुद्धि शीघ्र स्थिर हो जाती है। तो भगवान क्या कह रहे हैं? प्रसादे सर्व दुखाना। यहाँ प्रसाद का मतलब, हम लोग क्या सोचते हैं प्रसाद मतलब खाना, भगवान को वो भी है प्रसाद। सब चीज जो भगवान को अर्पित होके आया वो प्रसाद है। तो प्रसाद का टेक्निकल मतलब जो होता है कृपा है। तो प्रसादे सर्व दुखाना, पिछले श्लोक में भगवान ने क्या कहा? प्रसादम अधिक अच्छा, उसको प्रसाद मिलेगा, कृपा मिलेगी। तो भगवान की कृपा मिलेगी, उससे दुख खत्म होंगे। क्या है दुख? संसार में क्या दुख है? जन्म मृत्यु जरा व्याधि, ये 4 दुख है। जन्म का तो हमको पता नहीं पड़ता, लेकिन माँ के गर्भ में जो बच्चा दुख लेता है वो उसको पता है, हम भूल गए। फिर बीमारियां तो लगी पड़ी हैं। फिर बुढ़ापा एक दुख होता है, घुटने में पेन होता है, कमर में पेन होता है। एक बार बैठ गए तो उठ नहीं सकते, उठ गए तो बैठ नहीं सकते, कितना तकलीफ है। हाँ, जैसे जैसे आप 35, 40, 45 पहुंचते हैं, धीरे धीरे आपकी बॉडी असर दिखता है। मृत्यु, सब कुछ ले लिया जाता है। दर्द ये होता है, दुख ये होता है। दर्द तो होता है मृत्यु के समय, दुख ये सब कुछ चला गया। इसीलिए भक्ति करके अनासक्त हो जाना चाहिए। हाँ, मृत्यु चलो, अभी भगवान के पास जाना है, ये सब छोड़ो, इस स्टेज पे हमको पहुंचना है। इन 4 के अलावा 3 है, 3 क्लेश जो दुख है। वो क्या है? आध्यात्मिक, आदि भौतिक, आदि दैविक। हमारा मन, हमारा शरीर हमें कितनी तकलीफ दे रहा है। शरीर से ज्यादा मन तकलीफ दे रहा है, परेशान करके रखा है सबको। सब परेशान है मन से, दूसरे जीवात्माओं से, चाहे मनुष्य हो, चाहे मच्छर हो, चाहे जो भी हो, वो हमें तकलीफ दे रहे हैं, वायरस। और फिर आदि दैविक, देवताओं के द्वारा जो नेचुरल डिजास्टर हो रहे हैं, साइक्लोन, हरिकेन, सुनामी, अर्थक्वेक, वोल्केनो, ठंडी, गर्मी, हीट वेव चल रहा है, कभी कोल्ड वेव चल रहा है, कभी बेमौसमी बारिश हो रही है, कभी बारिश में अकाल पड़ जाता है। ये आदि दैविक क्लेश है। इन क्लेशों में फंसे। जब भगवान की भक्ति करते हैं तो इन क्लेशों से निकल जाते हैं। तो कोई बोलेगा, अच्छा भगवान की भक्ति करने वाला, सुनामी आएगा तो सबको लपेटेगा, तो भगवान की भक्ति करने वाला, उसको दुख नहीं होगा, उसके घर में पानी घुसेगा। लेकिन ठीक है, भगवान की इच्छा चल रही है, भगवान की इच्छा ही चलेगी, वो शांत, उसका मन में दुख नहीं होगा। ये फर्क होता है। असर तो पड़ेगा क्योंकि हमारा कर्म है, प्रारब्ध है, लेकिन मन में दुख नहीं होगा ये भक्ति करने से। तो प्रसादे सर्व दुखानां। फिर बोलते हैं प्रसन्न चेतः, बुद्धि में, मन में प्रसन्नता आएगी। जब भक्ति करेंगे तो प्रसाद मिलेगा, कृपा मिलेगी। कृपा से क्या मिलेगा हमको? दुख हर लिए जाएंगे। भगवान का नाम हरि है, दुख हर लेंगे। उसके बाद क्या होगा? जब दुख हर लेंगे तो मन में क्या बचेगा? प्रसन्नता। ही आशु, मतलब बहुत जल्दी, ऐसा नहीं कि टाइम लगेगा, 100 साल वेट करना पड़ेगा। आप अच्छे से भक्ति, जितना अच्छी भक्ति करेंगे क्वालिटी, उतना क्या होगा? आपके दुखों को हर लिया जाएगा। आपके मन में क्या बचेगा? प्रसन्नता। और जब प्रसन्नता होगी मन में, तो बुद्धि जो है वो एस्टैब्लिश्ड हो जाएगी, मतलब फिक्स हो जाएगी। भगवान ने कहा ना, व्यवसाय आत्मिका बुद्धि एकह कुरु नंदन, ये हमने देखा। बुद्धि व्यवसाय हो जाएगी, मतलब फिक्स्ड हो जाएगी। कहां पे? कृष्ण भक्ति में, कृष्ण की सेवा में, कृष्ण के चरणों में। अब बुद्धि इधर उधर भागेगी नहीं तो मन को भी पकड़ के रखेगी कृष्ण के सेवा में, वो भी भागेगा नहीं। तो इंद्रियां नहीं भागेंगी, वो भी सब सेवा में रहेंगी। जब इंद्रियां, मन और बुद्धि कृष्ण की सेवा में आ जाएंगे, जिस आनंद की अनुभूति आपको होगी वो आज सोच नहीं सकते, हम शब्दों में बता नहीं सकते। और कुछ भी हो जाए, इस संसार में रहे, शिव जी कहते हैं पार्वती से, जो भगवान के भक्त होते हैं, जिनका मन, बुद्धि, इंद्रियां सब सेवा में लग गई, वो नरक में रहे, स्वर्ग में रहे, पृथ्वी पर रहे, वैकुंठ में रहे, उनके लिए सब समान है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, क्योंकि वो सदैव भगवान के साथ रहते हैं। ये है भक्ति का परिणाम, और यही पहुंचना है। जरूरी नहीं है कि मोक्ष प्राप्त करना है। मोक्ष क्या है? मोक्ष है इंद्रिय भोग में न लग के भगवान की सेवा में लगना, ये मोक्ष है। हमारी सेवा ही है जीव का, जीवेर स्वरूप है कृष्ण नित्य दास, हम भगवान के नित्य दास हैं, उस सेवा में आ गए, उसी को मोक्ष कहते हैं। तो इस आनंद की अनुभूति होगी, एक कृष्ण प्रेम हमें प्राप्त होगा। तो इसीलिए हमें भक्ति करनी चाहिए, ना कि थोड़ा दाल रोटी के लिए भक्ति करनी चाहिए। वो तो मिलेगा, वो तो वैसे ही मिल रहा है, लेकिन कृष्ण प्रेम प्राप्त करने का टारगेट को रख के हमें भक्ति में आगे बढ़ना चाहिए, लेकिन प्रामाणिक गुरु के निर्देश में। हरे कृष्ण।
गौर गौर निताई गौर।